Yo guys, what's up? Investing Money Man here. It's March 1st, and it's going to be March 2nd. It's after hours, actually. Um, so what I wanted to do is just go through some of the dividends stocks that I own, and on the first of every month or thereabouts, I'm going to add to my position, um, adding that $100 per month that I talked about in my building wealth video. See here, some of the dividend stocks I have now. They're mostly dividend. There's some growth in there. What we're going to buy today or tomorrow is ENBL. It's Enable Midstream. You can see here over the last 5 years, you can see they were pretty high, but then they got hurt when everybody else did, right? When everything crashed. And they've been slowly coming back. So with the price of oil going up, these guys have a bright future. See, the prices just keeps going up and up and up. Go down here, see the 52-week high is $7, 52-week low is $1.61. Wish I would have bought it then. You can see the earnings took a real nosedive in Q2, and they've been going back up. And with the barrel price now, oil and gas prices are going through the roof. You guys can see at the pump. They're based in Oklahoma. It's an energy company. Okay, here's some stuff about them. They do a lot of oil and gas. So with the increased demand, they need to increase supply, so they're going to have a lot more transportation services. They're going to be able to charge more, have a lot more business. You can see there's 1,735 employees, founded in 2013. So I've done a little bit of research on this company. I feel good about it. You see the dividend yield is 12.481% approximately, which is actually pretty good. It's probably going to go down as the price goes up. The dividend yield is going to go down because they'll probably keep their dividends about the same. So I'm just going to place a trade. So I want to say trade. I want to say buy. Now here's the tricky part. I'm going to buy in dollars. So it's my $100. Okay, you can see I have 53, 39, 26 available. So that should be good, but that's a market order. So it didn't. So actually I can hit that button, say $100. It's pretty nice, right? It's a pretty nice feature. Kind of like that. Interesting. Alright. Not sure why the screen just changed color. That's good. Alright. So you can see it's queued. So I can go look at the order, buy 14 shares. Good for a day. Yep. Although it says a market buy, I probably want to do a limit. But I don't expect the price to go up too much on the market open. So let's cancel the order. Pretty easy to cancel. I think they just updated this app recently. I don't know. Looks different than when I did this before. Okay. So I'll do a limit order. Oh yeah. So I don't want to pay more than $6. Let's give it a couple cents. 89 cents, just in case. So, yeah, extended hours, we can do that. It's fine. Let's do it by 3 p.m. tomorrow. And okay. Buying dollars. 100. Perfect. 14.5564 shares. Alright, you can see amount invested 100, 0, 100. The order's in. So I can view the order. Let's look at it. It's queued. You can see. There it is. It's still a market buy. Okay, interesting. Alright guys, obviously I'm not sure what I'm doing here. So I'll do a limit order. Put same limit in, 6.89. Oops. It's too high. 6.89. Continue. Let's do regular hours. Alright, so it's a little over $100. That's fine. I'm just going to go with 15 shares. So can I do 14? 15. Alright. So, everything's set. View the order. The limit. Okay, we're good. Okay, you can see here, these are the stocks I currently own in my portfolio. Pretty good. Doing okay. AT&T, they yield pretty good. Alright. I got some crypto in there, and these are the stocks that I'm watching. Now I'm watching to make sure they're a good deal, and if they're available for a good deal, I want to snatch them. Coke, I have another account. They're doing pretty good. I like Coke a lot. Little fiasco with the whole training thing. Not cool, but they took a lot of heat on that one. But I still like the company, so I'm going to hang on to Coke for a while. Apple's committed, actually, I think just today, to increasing their dividends over time. Facebook, yeah, well, I'm looking at them. Disney, a couple other companies here, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Starbucks, Micron, GE. GE's been on a tear lately, so that's a good deal. Anyway, guys, this is my portfolio, kind of stuff I'm watching. Subscribe to my channel, and you can get more videos like this. You can see what I'm going to be adding to my portfolio every month. You can see my daily options trades. So tune in for that. It's really good information. This is not investing advice. I am not an investment advisor. But so this is just for your entertainment only. See what I'm doing. See if I'm going to go bankrupt or if I'm going to hit my goal. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching.